Welcome to day 19 of our 30 days pattern drafting. In today's video, we shall be learning how to make this dress. First, we're going to contour the armhole area. To do that, we're just going to go ahead and reduce this between 1/2 and 1 inch. Go on and draw a straight line like this to your waist area. We'll go on and now create our neckline. We increase the width here by 1 inch and the depth by 3 inches. We'll place a piece of paper underneath. This point here, we're going to draw a straight line like this, and then control this point here by 1/4 of an inch on either side. You just mark 1/4 of an inch on this side and another 1/4 of an inch on the other. You then control your underbust area. I don't know what you want to use. Depending on your underbust measurements, you control either between 3/8 of an inch and 1 inch. Using a curve, you then connect like this. You then connect this side here. At the underbust level here, you're going to control it as well by 3/4 of an inch. So from the bust line here, you're just going to distribute a 3/4 of an inch measurement. Connect like this. All this is just to tighten the bust area and control it so it doesn't feel loose when you wear it. Draw a straight line, then we'll proceed to cut out. Now this bust area where we have controlled, you slash, don't cut it off, make it lap, and this is for our main bodice. Now we'll go on and label it. We'll draw a straight line to guide us. So we'll slash, we'll number them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll slash number 1, 2 completely. So we'll place number 1 like this, number 3, so this is what we have in the end. July, I shall be hosting a skirt class where you should learn how to draft a basic skirt block, how to alter your basic skirt block to create an A-line skirt, how to manipulate your data, how to create volume, how to manipulate your fabric to create gathers, and ultimately how to create this tiered skirt. This class is strictly for beginners. If you're interested, do send a WhatsApp message to this number to be added to our WhatsApp group. So after joining these two together, you then gather this, and then you fit it into this place. You do the same thing with the top as well, front and back. You do the same thing to the upper parts, the end of it. See you in the next class. Hope you find this helpful.